In this exciting video, we unbox and review a set of cake decorating nozzles with a piping bag, a must-have tool for any baking enthusiast or professional cake decorator. Join us as we explore the contents of the package, discuss the different types of nozzles included, and provide our honest opinion on their performance. The unboxing segment showcases the packaging and reveals the array of nozzles that come with the set. We carefully examine each nozzle, highlighting their unique shapes, sizes, and designs. From round tips for creating smooth borders to star tips for adding decorative rosettes, the set offers a variety of options to unleash your creativity. Once we've unpacked the nozzles, we move on to testing them with the included piping bag. We discuss the quality of the piping bag, its flexibility, and ease of use. We then demonstrate how to attach the nozzles to the bag, ensuring a secure fit for smooth and precise piping. With the piping bag filled with frosting, we put the nozzles to the test. We showcase various techniques such as creating intricate designs, writing messages, and piping beautiful flowers. We share our experiences with each nozzle, discussing their performance, ease of control, and the results they produce. Throughout the video, we provide insightful tips and tricks for achieving professional-looking cake decorations. We offer suggestions on different icing consistencies, proper hand positioning, and techniques for creating various designs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced decorator, our review aims to guide and inspire you to create stunning cake designs. In the review segment, we summarize our thoughts on the cake decorating nozzles and piping bag set. We discuss the pros and cons, highlighting their durability,